Okay, I'm gonna show you 3 sauces today that your kids will love, that will get them, hopefully, to eat the foods that you want them to love. First up, we are gonna do ranch. This is the ranch from Radish, don't tell anyone. The buttermilk, your favorite mayonnaise with chives, parsley, of salt, onion, and garlic powder. Dill, sour cream. You just spin the top on. It takes 2 seconds. There you go, ranch. And then sauce number 2 is going to be honey mustard. I'm giving away all my secrets today. Mayonnaise, Dijon, and yellow mustard. Apple cider vinegar, the most important thing to add in, some honey. And then you know the drill, to blend. And there you have it, honey mustard. That's gonna be better than any store-bought honey mustard except at Radish. Sauce number 3 is more of a dip. It's going to be a date caramel. So we're gonna take some dates and pour some boiling water on top of it. About 15 minutes, put it off to the side and let them get super soft. Into the blender jar, coconut milk, a little bit of vanilla, forget some salt. Put the blade on. But there is date caramel sauce. Check out these dips that will help make your kids love the food that you want them to love. And it's truly amazing how dates can just taste like caramel.